Hi everyone, welcome to RK Digital School. In this lecture, we are going to discuss exceptional handling in Python. The exceptional handling in Python is a mechanism that allow you to handle error and unexpected situations that occur during the execution of a program. Instead of crashing the program, lets you catch and respond to the end user as a user-friendly message. Agent try, accept, else, and finally block. Now we are going to discuss the below topic in the exception handling: zero division by error, value error, file not found exception, handling multiple exceptions, and how to use finally block. Let's start with the zero division error. What is zero division error? A zero division error in Python occurs when you try to divide number by zero, which is mathematically undefined. Let's see the example without exceptional handling. A is equal to 10, okay, B is equal to 0, and result is equal to A by B, right? Let's run this program. आ गया यहाँ पे error, zero division error. Okay, if you write the program like that, if someone is using your application, they will not able to understand, right? What is the issue? So we should handle the exception and we should provide the user defined exception so that user can understand the exception and they can provide the proper input. Let's handle the exception now. Try accept zero division error and it should provide the message. If cannot you cannot divide by 0. Okay, let's run this program. You get that you cannot divide by 0, right? So this is the user friendly message. If someone has got this message, so they can modify the input and they can work like that. Okay, now we'll see one real time example. If you are building a billing system that calculate the average cost per item, but if the number of items is wrongly entered 0, program will give you exception. So we will handle the exception and will give the user friendly message to the customer. Okay, let's start the coding now. Table total cost. Total cost is equal to 1000. Okay, and the number of items I will capture through the keyboard int input and I will handle through the try block. Try. I'm creating one variable average cost. Average cost is equal to total cost divided by number of items. You just print aver- average cost per item is average cost. Okay, if error comes, then you have to handle the exception, except zero division error, right? And then print, you have to provide the user friendly message if exception occur, right? Error. What? number of items cannot be 0. Let's run this program now. It's asking about the input 0. Okay. See, you cannot divide by 0. This is the first program result. You cannot divide by 0. Okay. Error. Number of items cannot be 0. So I'm getting here number of items cannot be 0. Once you can run the program and provide the proper input. Okay. 1000. I'm just providing 5 quantity. Okay. And enter. Oh, I have given only 100 rupees. So I have given 5 quantity. Then average per cost item is 20 rupees. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the next lecture.